Man, bow, tie down, watch out now. It's that little thug nigga, and I'm not Bow Wow. But them guns, pow pow, your phone won't damn dial. It's like the fucking end, like you being sent to your trial. Then your motherfucking girl wanna rock this boat. And when I said dial, I wasn't really talking to soap. Tough thug, hitting with no grub. You'll have a fucking funeral with like 100 doves, beloved. All because the fact you hate her trust. Or you got mad nigga cause she made you eat her dust. Because I am way quicker than you bruh. And then we asked the girl but she fucking said duh. Lemonade, no half and half.
Sweet to me. Lemonade, yeah, it tastes real sweet to me. And if I cuff a nigga, gotta be street to me. And if I cuff a nigga, gotta grab the heat. So please don't go around the block talking all this shit like you bout getting money. You a lying ass bitch. Saw you round the club the other day with your homegirl when the track was slipping. Swear to God, the pieces was missing. I'm like, hold the fuck up. If you tryna be a diva, please do it the right way. You don't look like Eva. You was not America's next top model. I'm tired of seeing these bitches thinking they top throttles. But then I pull a motherfucking beat back up in my head and I start thinking this shit that I swear I never said. Then I grab my man trigger like we gotta get in the booth so we can spit the truth for the motherfucking youth. I'm talking about the young folks. I'm talking about the old heads. The old heads who been getting paid, who been on the track stacking bread. The ones who been around the block. The ones who know all about the cops. The one who ain't scared to walk around, get their money, fucking shot, fucking Glock, fucking clock. Cause it's gonna keep going. And I'ma keep flowing till the beat stop going.
Wow.